guys, it's Skye and today I'm going to be taking a home-based test. This is the most comprehensive DNA test in the industry and Circle DNA is proud to have 99.9% of accuracy. So basically, by taking this test, you would know and understand everything about your genes, optimal diet and lifestyle, nutrition, and many more. Oh, and another thing, it can also detect early signs of cancer, dementia, and brain health. So here's how I did it. First step, you have to register the kit and by doing so, you have to scan the QR code to get the app. Second step would be collecting of the sample. First off, you have to remove the swab out of the package and make sure to not touch the tip. Next is to rub it on your cheeks 10 times and basically just repeat it on the other side. Third step is to place the swab into the tube and break the stick at the score point in the middle. And lastly, screw the cap back on the tube and shake 10 times to cover the swab tip completely. Then you can place the tube into the return bag. They will also be providing you a different pouch from FedEx since you have to ship it back to them. You have a choice to drop it off at the local FedEx or schedule for pickup. And yeah, that's it. It's super simple lang and now you just have to wait for 18 business days for the results. To give you an idea on how the result would look like, here's a sample of mine. I'm so happy to be taking the test. At least now I'm aware on the things I need to take more and the things I should avoid from now on. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me for more. Bye!